Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will cover object methods. It's very easy. Okay, what is object methods? Basically, they are functions, but those functions are assigned as a value to a property name. In this case, we will call it a method. So a function that is a property of an object is called its methods. So if you see like this way, okay, I have a user have name and age, and here I have a greet, right? And what's the value of this greet, this property name? It's a function. In this case, we will say user object has a greet method. Okay, and again here we have another way to write a method for an object, which directly give function declaration here. Okay, so which is get name and have this is like a function, right? But when we put it inside the user, we will say it's a method. And another way to define a method is by the extension. We already talked about if we want to add a property to an object, we can use the dot notation. And previously what we did, we probably like a user dot gender. Okay, we will do like this way, which is a female. Okay, this will when we console log a user, we will have name, age, greet, and get a name, and also the gender, right? And this gender has a value is a string type, which is female. And you also can add the extra method, and which is still using dot notation, say hi, and a function. How to call it? You can using user dot say hi, and the say hi now become a method like this. Okay, so now let me show you this demo. It's pretty easy. Okay. Look at this one. This is for next one. Okay, so now let me show you here. This user have name, age, greet, and this is two ways to define a method inside the objects. Okay, define the two ways, whatever the way you want. This way is shorter. Okay. And how to call a method, still using user dot notation and greet. You can console log console.log user dot greet, and you will see it's gonna become a function. Okay, which is you will see a function being printed inside the console. You will see here, this is a function, right? But when the greet, this function is inside an object, we will say greet is a method. Okay, same thing for the get name, user dot get name. Okay, same thing. Okay, when we open, I'll close this one. You will see get name. Okay, both of them are actually the type is a function. Okay. And how to call them? Since they are function, you can call like what? User dot greet, and this is how to call user dot get name, right? Like this way. Okay. So when you see here, you will say hi, and get name return the value is John, right? We will have to do like this way. Yeah. Log user dot get name. Okay, and call it, and we will see John being printed in this case. We'll see hi, and we'll see John. And meanwhile, we can do extension like this way. User dot say hi, which is a function console log say hi. How to call it? You can using user dot say hi, right? This is how we call like this way, and you will see here because hi being printed, right? This is extension had add extra methods. Okay, and you can also override the same thing as before. You can say user dot greet previous this function is return hi, right? I will do is previous is hi. I will do is hello, like this. And now previously when we call the greet, we will say hi, but now if I call the same function, same method again, okay, we will see a different value. You will see hello now. Okay, so this is object methods. You have two ways to define. One is this, have a property name and a property value. The other one directly put the function here, and we will call their methods. They do have difference. The methods and the functions, they do have difference. The main thing is because of this keyword. We will see next video. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching my videos. See you next time. Bye bye.